Hallo und willkommen zurück zu unserem Deutsch podcast. Hello and welcome back to our German podcast. This is day 2 of your journey to learn German fluently and prepare for university. Today, I want to motivate you and also teach you your first real sentences in German. Learning German may feel difficult at the beginning. But don't worry, every expert was once a beginner. German is the language of opportunity. It helps you study at German universities, find good jobs, and connect with people across Europe. The key is practice, not perfection. Right finger, if you practice for just 10 minutes every day with me, your German will improve step by step. Now let's speak German together. I will say the sentence in German, then in English, and you repeat after me. Ich lerne Deutsch. I am learning German. Ich spreche ein bisschen Deutsch. I speak a little German. Ich möchte fließend Deutsch sprechen. I want to speak German fluently. Ich kann es schaffen. I can do it. Hands clapping, great. By saying these sentences, you are already speaking German. Let's quickly review some important words. Ich equals I. Learn equals learn. Deutsch equals German. Spreche equals speak. Bisschen equals a little. Möchte equals want. Fließend equals fluently. With these 7 words, you can already build many sentences. Today's challenge for you. Right finger, write down one sentence in German about yourself. For example, ich lerne Deutsch. Or ich bin student. Say it 3 times out loud. Sehr gut. Very good. You've completed day 2. Remember, confidence comes from practice. Even if you know only a few sentences, use them, in class, with friends, or even by talking to yourself. Tomorrow, in day 3, we'll learn German greetings and introductions, the sentences you will use every single day when you meet new people. Bis morgen. See you tomorrow.